Episode 2 of mining Doge coins for free on Rich app. So in this episode, after the original one, we are now at the 10k that are needed, and we've collected it finally, and we can use the free booster to actually gain more Doge coins daily. We're looking at the Core i9 option for the 10k RHC, and by doing that and collecting it, now we can actually gain a daily profit that surpasses 33 Doge coins daily, and a total profit for the 30 days duration of the contract 999, so above 1000 Doge coins. Now it's showing 49 Doge coins daily profit per hour. The good thing about this application, the bot on Telegram, is free. You can actually do the daily tasks to collect the RHC that are needed for you to actually initiate the contract, which is also free. And pretty much, if you look at the market and the 500 Doge coins that are needed and who's actually participating with the Rich app, you can see all the logos on the bottom: Binance, Bitget, Telegram, and so on. So as soon as you hit that 500 Doge coins in your account, you'll be able to directly withdraw it. At the time of this video, it's almost equivalent to 199 USD for the 500 Doge coins. So the good thing is it's completely free, and you can also spin it by doing a motion circle to the fan to speed it up. And the hash rate currently is at 13 GH per second, which is okay, it's nice. The good thing is during the duration of the 30 days, you'll be able to collect the 10k, hopefully again for the RHC needed for another upgrade. And like that, you just leave it to run the entire day collecting Doge coins. And after you finally reach that 500 Doge, you'll be able to withdraw it directly. Let me show you the withdrawal scenario that shows in the wallet. This is me showing you again the daily profit and how it's going okay until now. Aside from that, you can always invite your friends to speed up the RHC collection. Now for the wallet, as you can see, you'll have to add your address, your Doge address, and the amounts, and the minimum withdrawal is going to be 500. As soon as you hit that 500, go for it. Now, the best thing about Rich app, or the bot on Telegram, Rich app, you don't really need to do anything. You don't really need to sit around just watching. As always, all links are in the description for you to start.